In this PIXLR editor exercise, we are going to create digital art in the style of Reynald Drouhin. So first you need to open up an image, and I would suggest that you use a landscape image because that is what Reynald Drouhin typically used. And if you have one that has a horizon line, it can be a little bit more fun. I'll show you both. I'll show you one without and one with. So you have two options in this, but all of the steps are basically the same. So the first thing that you need to do is duplicate your layer, and then you are going to go to the Marquee Select, and this is where you have a choice. You can either do a rectangular shape, similar to the monolith, or you can do a circle or an ellipse shape. So for the first one, I'll show you an ellipse shape. So you can just create your shape with the marquee and kind of move it around where you want it. If you remember, typically Reynald's images had it in the center. So I'm going to use mine right there. And while the marquee is moving and selected, I'm going to go to select and invert the selection, which means everything else is selected, not what is inside of the circle. And then I'm just going to use my backspace or delete button to delete everything. And as you can see, you don't see it here on our main image, but you can see that the background was deleted when I look over here in the layers menu. Now I just need to click off of the image and click on the arrange tool, and a box is going to go around where my circle is, and I'm going to go up and I am just going to flip it vertical. And you can see that we have a circular shape right on top of our image that is flipped, just like in the style of Reynald's images. So I can stop there. So file, save. I'm just going to call this flipped. Going to show up in my downloads. You have one more way that you can do this with a rectangular shape. So I will show you that. So I'm going to go back to the home page, open up an image. I will just use one of these stock photos for this one. Same thing, layer, duplicate layer, marquee tool. This time we will try a rectangle. And I will create that monolith shape. Select, invert selection, delete to remove it, click off of the image, click that arrange or cursor tool, and flip vertical, and just place it where I feel might make the most impact. Okay, and then file, save. Again, this is just how you create a photograph or digital art in the same style that Reynald Drouhin did.